Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you the review of Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Green Apple Shampoo. It is shampoo plus conditioner, so it is the first point that why I really like this product, because it contains shampoo and conditioner together, and it is formulated for oily hair and scalp. So I love oiling my hair and I wanted something that really cleans off my oily hair, and that's the reason I purchased this shampoo. So if you have oily scalp and oily hair, then this is a great option for you. The third thing is that it is Ayurvedic recipe which is of 100% botanical extract, so it doesn't contain any chemicals. Okay, this product is 200 ml and I purchased it for 155 rupees. So 200 ml for 155 is not really very bad. So it is not at the very costlier side, so we can really afford this. Now let's see the ingredients. It has apple juice, shikakai, almond oil and coconut oil. Now the most important reason why I purchased it, because it has shikakai. I like shikakai because shikakai cleanses your hair and also helps in your hair growth. Now this has shampoo and conditioner as well, so you need not buy a separate conditioner, which is a very big plus point. It has fragrance of apple juice, like green apple juice, and it is so natural that you will feel really like you're washing your hair with apples. It is so fresh and so good. Nothing else but green apple. So that's a really great thing, that it doesn't contain any perfume type smell, which I really don't like. Now let me share you with my experience. Like when I used it for the first time, I'm using this shampoo for 2 months now on, and I purchased this new bottle because I want to continue with it. I'm really very happy with the product. It's something that is natural and mild. Now transparent shampoos are known to be very mild because it contains very less chemicals. So whenever you opt for buying any shampoo, go for transparent shampoos, because they are very less harmful and they contain very less chemicals. So I just love this shampoo. My hair felt smooth, soft and good after using it, and I have not noticed any kind of side effect like itching scalp or anything. It completely suits me. So if you want something natural, paraben free, SLS free and chemical free, you can definitely go for this shampoo. Or you can use homemade shampoos. But if you don't have time, or you are a working woman, or you don't really have that much of interest in making your own shampoos, this is the best one. So buy this product, and if you like the review, just subscribe to my channel.